Alright everyone, so we've succeeded in getting the armored wizard to appear when he should. Now we need to get the regular wizard to disappear when he should, so that it looks like it's just one character changing, not like the wizard has doubled himself. So for this we need to go back to wizard, the original wizard, and go to when I receive yum yum. So right now it's quite simple, it just says start the sound yum yum. I want you to grab an if then else and put this in the second one. And then we're going to build the thing that we've built a couple of times now, where we say, okay, if Wolfman Sprites contains current enemy, then we want you to do the different thing. Otherwise, just do the thing that you always did to start sound yum yum. So the new thing is going to be set your controls to off and hide. Okay, let's try that out. Perfect. Now we cheat and go to the next level. We get nobody. So, and the bottle's upside down. So these are two easy bugs to fix. With respect to the upside down bottle, the problem is that when it was a dagger, remember the bottle and the dagger are the same thing, they're just in different costumes. We had it point towards the wizard and then turn 180 degrees. And we never got it to change its direction back. So just grab a point in direction 90 and just drop it in there, and that ought to fix that. And as for making the wizard appear, we just have to put when I receive start level show. So that ought to work.
Ouch!
Okay, so
Yum yum!
we didn't get him during the animation. This is the part that governs the appearances of the animation through the door, and it brings the wizard to the front so he's ahead of the black card so you can see him. Well, if we just add a show in here, then that ought to make sure that the wizard appears for the transition scene, even if he's been made to disappear by the armored knight. Let's try that out. Okay, great, that works. Alright, let's leave it there, and I'll see you in the next video.